All right, so before I load up the live deck, let me just do one more walk around here on this 1824 gas machine. Again, we did drop in that 12-way wedge that is 100% hydraulic adjustable. We do have the last log holder on this one. It does go through about a 24-inch cut. We have the upgraded positive log stop. We have the upgraded LED light package. We have the sawdust chute. This is just the back of the last log holder. That is an attached left to right swivel hydraulically adjustable conveyor. It is a top drive, forward, neutral, reverse, and speed control. It is 14 feet long. We have our automatic oiler. We have our oil cooler. We have a plethora of hoses that do various and sundry things. We have a 38 horsepower EFI Kohler motor. Our battery, fuel tank, little toolbox there on the back side. Got a pintle ring on this right now for running around the wood yard. This is an extended frame, so everything from that weld to me is extra, about 4 feet. It is a rounded log trough. The extended frame does give us 4 live deck legs. So again, that's everything from the weld on the table. This direction is the extended frame. We did do this one as a tandem axle. A typical gas machine would just have a single, and we did it with the operator's platform on it as well. So production-wise, this does have the auto cycle, which is the double valves here. So you pull both of those, and then the ram travels down and then back. It is a big bore cylinder, meaning the cylinder, the chrome part is bigger than standard, so it takes less oil to go backwards. We do have the fast split block on this to double evacuate the oil out of the cylinder. And again, it's all hopped up for production. It actually does pretty well. There's that 14-foot conveyor, and we are going to load one of our log lift bags to take down to Dom at B3Q BBQ. So with this package, the 12-way is going to stay here with me. And then we are going to ship the standard 4-way and the standard 6-way with the unit. So let me get this camera put back in the tripod, and we'll get down to making little pieces out of big pieces. right, so there's our 4 bags that we got done. And what I wanted to show you here was I pulled out a couple sample pieces here, just so you had an idea of what that 12-way was pumping out. Yes, there's some bigger pieces. Yes, there's some little pieces, but I think all in all, that's a pretty good mix for what this 12-way can produce. And again, this isn't the diesel model. This is just the 38 horsepower gas. The biggest difference when you go to the diesel is you can run the saw while the splitter is retracting. So like where you saw the cylinder retract and then the saw came down, on the diesel you can be multitasking. On the gas, the pump is only big enough to run one function at a time. I hope you found it at least informational that a gas machine can keep up with a nice 24-inch piece of wood going through a 12-way wedge. Again, if we can earn your business with the sales quote, I would love to be able to do that. Yes, you can call the manufacturer direct, but I would really appreciate it if you could support small business. We have been doing this for 10 years now. Yes, it blows my mind that we've been doing YouTube videos and doing the Shaver Sales Inc. stuff for 10 years. So if we could earn your business with the sales quote, if you watch the videos, please give us a phone call. We're happy to answer any questions that you do have and get you a personalized sales quote sent over. It's 833-SPLITTER. That's 833-775-4887. You can also email me at sales@shaverequipment.com. And again, would love to earn that business with the sales quote. As you can see, we do use the products from everything from the splitters to the processors, to the bags, the trailers, and beyond. So we have all of the knowledge about the equipment versus just thumbing through a catalog and trying to make up something as we go. Again, hope to hear from you soon. I'm going to unplug the camera here, do one last walk around, but it seems the camera dies. It doesn't like the cold weather. The sun went down, the wind picked up, and I don't even know how cold it is, but I can see my own breath. I don't know if it's going through there on the camera or not, but thanks for watching. Let me do one last walk around here so you can see what we produced in the day, and we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. Power lift bag, log lift bag. The big rounds that we cut. The 1824 gas machine that did all the work. Our tool cat with the frostbite style grapple on it, also from Brute Force. I want to show you the sample wood that came off the 12-way, just to prove that a gas machine can run the big 12-way wedge. It will travel with the 4-way and the 6-way.